To start making money on YouTube, create engaging and valuable content that resonates with your target audience. Focus on building a loyal fan base and consistently producing high-quality videos. Producing compelling and informative content is key to enticing viewers and building a loyal audience. Engaging with your audience is essential for building a loyal following. Whether through social media, online forums, or live events, fostering meaningful interactions creates a sense of community and connection. Monetizing through ad revenue and Google AdSense is a popular way for content creators to earn income by allowing ads to be displayed on their platforms. Exploring alternative revenue streams such as sponsorships and partnerships can help diversify income sources and create new opportunities for growth and sustainability. Utilizing affiliate marketing on YouTube involves creating engaging video content that showcases products or services in a genuine and authentic way, allowing viewers to make informed purchase decisions through your affiliate links. Diversifying income streams by creating and selling merchandise related to your brand or content can provide a steady source of revenue. Maximizing revenue with premium content and memberships can create a sustainable income stream for content creators and businesses.